Stomach ulcers are open sores that develop on the inside of your stomach lining. The most common stomach ulcer symptom is burning stomach pain. Stomach acid makes the pain worse as those having an empty stomach. When acid in the digestive tracts eats away, it can create a painful open sores that bleeds. Have you ever felt hunger pangs at the middle of the night making you feel uncomfortable? Have you ever eaten some foods and they begin to react in your system causing you heartburn? These tips will help you cure your stomach ulcer. Number 1. Breakfast. This is the most important meal that keeps the body healthy and helps to heal stomach ulcer. Eating a balanced breakfast will help to promote overall health. Number 2. Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe Vera Gel is known for its antibacterial and healing of wounds. It is sometimes described as wonder plant, and sure it is. Aloe Vera Gel is said to be effective when used to cure ulcers and also helps to repair the walls of the stomach. Appropriate consumption of Aloe Vera Gel can help in the reduction of ulcer and aid in healing the ulcer. Aloe Vera Gel can be extracted from its leaves. It is a very effective natural remedy for stomach ulcers patients. Intake of it daily can help you get healed fast. Number 3. Cabbage Juice. Drinking cabbage juice will make you recover effectively and fast. Cabbage juice is high in mineral contents. It is an excellent source of vitamin K and C, which can help in fighting free radicals. Intake of cabbage juice can help you heal fast. These methods are life experience that I use to cure my stomach ulcer permanently. For those who have been battling with stomach ulcer, I recommend you use these methods. This will help you greatly.